If you're in the market for new golf clubs, the first thing you should consider is getting fitted by a certified fitter. Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with the infamous master fitter, Brian Bobbitt. I just got my first golf lesson, and I actually hit the ball, and it was really fun. I see why everybody catches the bug, and I think I might have caught the bug.
Good.
And it might be time for some golf clubs. Sorry, sweetie. What I'm learning, it's really important to get fitted properly for golf clubs. You might think it's an extra investment that you don't need to make, but I feel like if you get the right golf clubs the first time and they work well for you, they're gonna last a lot longer. So in the end of the day, it's probably the better investment.
Rob hits it right on the nose, right away there. Everyone has a different body size, so they'll probably have a different length that they need to. It's almost like getting tailored, you know?
Yes.
Or maybe buying sunglasses as
Oh
well.
yeah, you gotta get fitted for the right prescription sunglasses, SportRx.com.
Also, we fit for what level you are. For example, a pro would have a club that doesn't have much cavity back. An amateur would have one with more cavity back. So basically, when we do the fitting, we get the club head that's suited to you. We then get your length, what length you should be. Then we will then pick what shaft. And we've got shafts. We have stiff, extra stiff, regular, light, graphite, and steel. Okay. And the difference between graphite and steel is always a big question. Is the graphite's about 30% lighter. People that don't have a lot of club head speed, maybe ladies or elderly people. The steel shaft's a little bit heavier for people with more speed. They get a little bit more control with this with the steel. And yeah, once we've figured out what shaft you've got to go to, then all we do is the lie angle. Very important when we hit the ball. This thing has to be flat to the ground. If the heel is up, if the club is too upright, or if the toe is down, we need to bend this to fit that to your specification. I've already hit one here, and you can see on this one, I put the tape on here and I've hit too much on the heel, so I'd have to have these bent to fit my size right there. So once we got the lie angle, the last thing we want to do is then get the grip size. Everybody has different size hand. Rob here, he's got the big hands, all right? So you're going to need a thicker grip. Okay, and we provide that. So then we go into the driver fitting, which is usually used with the launch monitor, because I've got one over here, the Foresight Sports launch monitor, because we want to see what that club's doing. That way we can pick the correct loft and make sure that the ball has the correct spin. A little bit much more than you need to.
Yeah.
But if you go get fitted, they're gonna tell you all about it.
It sounds like there's no best golf clubs. It's what's best for me.
Best for you.
And that
totally.
It doesn't matter price or cost. Sometimes it's like, I got to get what works for me.
What works for you.
Perfect.
Yeah. And Callaway is a great company. They're probably #1. They have about 10 different lines, so they suit every player.
Nice.
And they're local here in San Diego.
Well, I would say if you're in the San Diego area, check out BrianBobbitt.com. There'll be a link in the description as well. He's been great. I got my first lesson. I was really nervous. I thought I wouldn't hit the ball, and I think I did okay.
You did really good.
Yeah, so next for me is getting some golf clubs, and I think I'm going to get a fit. So if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the golf course.
All right.